If you are a student who is madly in love with science and aspire to build your career in the field of research, then please make sure that you are watching this video till the end. Dear parents and students, welcome to an informative video. My name is Gladson Lee Joseph. In this video, I will be explaining you about KVPY. What is KVPY? Kishore Vaidyanik Protsahan Yojana. KVPY is a fellowship or scholarship program launched by Government of India under the Department of Science and Technology in the year 1999. KVPY exam is conducted to find out talented and highly motivated students in the field of science and to help them grow their career in the field of research. KVPY exam is conducted by Indian Institute of Science, Bangalore. Let's discuss about this exam in detail. Why a student should write KVPY exam? KVPY fellows will be getting monthly stipends and yearly grants till their pre-PhD level. For the students in bachelor's, they will be getting 5,000 rupees as monthly stipend and 20,000 rupees as yearly grant. For the students in masters, they will be getting 7,000 rupees as monthly stipend and 28,000 rupees as yearly grant. Let's discuss about the eligibility criteria. The first eligibility criteria is you have to be an Indian citizen. There are mainly three streams of exams under KVPY. First one is SA for the students in 11th grade. Second one is SX for the students in 12th grade. And the third one is SB for the students in first year degree program. In this video, we will be detailedly explaining about SX and SA stream. In SA stream, you must have 75% of mark in your 10th grade in science and mathematics. In SX stream, you must have 75% of mark in your 10th grade in science and mathematics and 60% of mark in your 12th grade in science and mathematics. Now let's discuss about the exam pattern. As I said, in KVPY there are three streams of exam: SA, SX and SB. In SA, that means for the students who are in 11th grade, you have to write physics, chemistry, biology and mathematics. There are two parts under SA stream, part 1 and part 2. Part 1 will be having 15 questions each from physics, chemistry, biology and mathematics. Each correct answer will be having 1 mark and each wrong answer will be having negative 0.25 mark. Part 2 will be having 5 questions each from physics, chemistry, biology and mathematics. You have to attend all the questions. Each correct answer will be having 2 marks and each wrong answer will be having minus 0.5 mark. The total time for the exam will be 3 hours and the total mark will be 100. The exam will be conducted online. And for the students who is writing SX stream, that means the students who are in 12th grade, they also will be having 2 parts, part 1 and part 2. Under part 1, they will be having physics, chemistry, biology and mathematics questions in the question paper. But they only need to attend 3 subjects. They can attend either physics, chemistry, biology, or they can attend physics, chemistry and mathematics. Each subject will be having 20 questions. Each correct answer will be having 1 mark and each wrong answer will be having negative 0.25 mark. In part 2, you will be having 10 questions each from physics, chemistry, biology and mathematics. But here also you need to write only 2 subjects. It can be either physics, chemistry, or biology, mathematics, or any way you like. Each correct answer will be having 2 marks and each wrong answer will be having negative 0.5 mark. The total time will be 3 hours and the total mark will be 100. Aptitude test is not only the criteria for getting selected in KVPY exam. After aptitude test, you will be having an interview round. The selected students from the aptitude test will be called for the interview round. After the interview, the board will be deciding who all to be selected. For the final selection, 75% of the weightage is given for the aptitude test and 25% of the weightage is given for the interview round. What is the syllabus that you need to study for writing KVPY exam? Specifically, there is no syllabus for KVPY exam. If you are writing SA, that means you are writing the exam in your 11th grade. Then the questions can be asked from anywhere till 10th grade, from science and from maths. If you are writing SX, that means you are writing your exam in 12th grade. The questions can be asked from anywhere from the syllabus till you are 12th grade, from science and from maths. Which all are the colleges and which all are the courses that you will be able to do if you are getting selected in KVPY? You will be getting admissions into Indian Institute of Science or into Indian Institute of Science, Education and Research, ISERS. You will be able to do BSc, BS and BMath courses. Thank you for watching this video. If you need to know more about KVPY, then please make sure that you are getting in touch with us.